Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking down the essentials: full name, city, and likely company. Type the name in quotes into linked in search bar, then switch to people. Next, apply location and current company filters to narrow results. This reduces noise quickly. Once done, scan headlines and photos for the role and employer match. Make sure to note mutual connections listed on the profile. Those are your fastest verification points and potential intro pathways, so don't skip them. Once you have initial hits, refine using Boolean operators in LinkedIn or search engines. For example, use first, last, and company to prioritize exact matches or to catch alternate titles. Then try site searches using site, LinkedIn. With the name plus city to surface public profiles. Make sure to use alumni and mutual connections filters to rank candidates by likelihood. These signals indicate genuine matches. Finally, compare job descriptions and you're at the finish line. Verify the best candidate by cross-checking mutual connections, work history, and profile dates. If it matches, send a brief connection message that states who you are, shared context, and a clear ask. Keep it 1 to 2 sentences. If you find no convincing profile, broaden filters to name variants, prior companies, or alternate locations and retry. Sometimes profiles update slowly, so try again after 24 hours. Troubleshooting tip: if results are sparse, check privacy settings or ask a mutual contact directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.